Welcome to Offgrid Rookies.
We're finally approaching our very first growing season.
Last summer we began restoring the previously inhabited part of our property.
We fenced in a 250 square meter area designated for growing food.
Since the 1960s, spruce and pine have slowly crept in, surrounding the garden and inching closer over time.
As a result, the old lilacs and berry bushes barely bloom anymore. We suspect that the vegetables won't thrive in the shadow of the spruces either, so we invited some good friends to help us bring light back to the garden by clearing some of the spruce.
Grenarna satt fast i tallen tror jag.
Seg alltså.
Ja.
Jag vet inte vad zombie liksom betyder och vart det kommer ifrån.
This spruce refused to budge for me. Its long branches had spent years entangling themselves around the nearby pines, holding on really tightly.
Bryt var den går då. Ja. Nu kanske. Pröv där. Och så bänder du, Tore. Och så hänger jag. Ja, du.
That was a really stupid idea. Tore is right and I did listen. The hinge broke, forcing us to try felling it in a different direction than originally planned. We finally freed it from the closest trees, but only for it to get stuck against another one. Instead, it's now leaning towards the fence around our garden. Without the right tools, we spent a long time trying to bring it down. At some point we accepted that part of the fence would likely get damaged, but so be it. Of course I should have gotten a winch before our friends arrived, but hindsight is always 20/20. Eventually we strapped a pole to the tree with some ratchet straps and managed to roll it off.
Ja, nu! Oj. Bra jobbat! The spruce fell in the best way possible. Not a single plank broke, only a few nails bent and came loose.
I'm happy we got both quality time and efficient work done, but now there's a lot to clean up from yesterday.
A single blåsippa has already emerged. Maybe the extra sunlight is making a difference.
She gave me this awesome axe for Christmas and I just had to try it out. As a newbie to wood chopping, do you prefer working with freshly cut wood or older dried out logs?
Whoops. Tjena bossen! Hej! Ja, tjena! Kul att se dig!
Eller får han det? Eller det kanske är farligt eller?
Nej.
Det var snabbt ner.
Han älskar ost.
My mom and the dog, Boss, came to visit and help us out this weekend.
Generellt borde det vara rätt surt när det har varit.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you're having a great day and see you next time.